Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fun Art. Today let us see the second question of exercise 10.2. In the given figure, if TP and TQ are the tangents of the circle with center O, so that angle POQ is 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to, we have to find angle PTQ. With theorem 1, we know that angle OPT and OQT becomes 90 degrees. And in basic geometry, angles of all sides of a quadrilateral gives us 360 degree. Therefore, angle O plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle T is equal to 360 degrees. Substituting their values, angle O is 110 degrees, angle P is 90 degree, angle Q is 90 degree plus our angle PTQ is equal to 360 degrees. Adding them, 110 plus 180 plus PTQ 360 degrees. We get 290 plus PTQ is equal to 360 degrees. Taking 290 to the opposite, we get angle PTQ is equal to 360 minus 290. That is 70 degrees. Therefore, angle PTQ is 70 degrees. Thank you. Happy learning.